We are super busy here at Haasl Tools making videos today. I got all my helpers with me and we are excited for all the different things to come. Do your tools get your hands dirty before you even get to work on the vehicle? Are you looking for a way to clean up your tool storage and you're not sure what chemicals or what to use or how to do it? So I see a lot of comments online, people asking, what do you use to clean your toolbox? What do you use to clean your hand tools? I'm here to show you my 2- and 3-step process to making tool storage like this, the pre-owned stuff, look like brand new, and keeping your hand tools looking like brand new. Let's go ahead and take a look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and mask off an area on here so we can see the before and after of what we've done to this tool storage. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna use painter's tape, and let's go from here. Good enough to here. Now I love these Scott's shop towels. I use the heck out of them, so if you're affiliated with Scott's and you want to donate some, feel free. My email's down below. Send me an email. We'll talk. The first thing I would use is just some regular Windex. Easy enough. And it cleans it up pretty good, but I can still see a lot of marks in here, scrapes, stuff like that. If this thing was really dirty, what I would do is I would go ahead and use the Snap-on tool wipes that we're going to use on the hand tools as well. But up here, right in here, it wasn't real dirty, just a little bit of stuff on there. So to get rid of these little scrapes and scratches, and I'll bring the camera in real close so you can see, we're going to go ahead and use some Flitz products. I'll show you. So Flitz polish can be purchased through your Snap-on franchisee, and this is just a little trial pack that I keep on the truck. We also sell there's some toolbox cleaners. This one's a diamond plate restoration kit. You can just attach this to a drill. It's got some polish in there and then some wax in there as well. They also sell products like aluminum pre-clean, things like that. So Flitz is pretty common on the Snap-on truck. But we're just going to use this little tiny pack here. I'm going to use the cordless polisher with the little buffing wheel right on here and see what it does with all them little scrapes and swirls and stuff on this black toolbox. So I got the CTPP cordless polisher here and a little buffer. There's Velcro pad on there. Put that on like so. We'll take the Flitz and I'm just going to put it on there a little bit. Since we're inside the truck, I need to be a little careful so I'm not, throwing this polish stuff everywhere on the tools, so I'm not going to use a whole lot. And with the Flitz, you really don't need to use a whole lot. Just put a little bit on the pad here. We'll put it in, kind of rub it around. I don't want it flinging around on the other stuff. I do have the polisher on number 2, so I'm not going to put a lot of force on there because this is a high speed setting, not a high torque. And as you can see, that really cleaned that up really nice. Just a quick, simple 2-step process. Spray a little of the Windex on there. If it's really greasy, use the Snap-on tool wipes. And then if it's got a bunch of scratches, you can use a little CTPP gun with some Flitz polish and get that thing looking real nice. So we're going to go ahead and clean up. I have a 3-piece plier set here that are pretty filthy. And we're going to go ahead and use the Snap-on towels here. Part number WOD5020. I showed these on another video before. But it's just a little orange towel, and they're pre-moistened. They got some chemical on there. I always leave them folded in half. And then we'll finish up by wiping off with the Scott's shop towel. But let's go ahead and grab these. These are really filthy. And in just a couple strokes with these tool wipes, it takes these pliers and makes them look like brand new on the grips. I'll use the Scott towel just to wipe off the excess, and there you have it. Well, I had a blast at the tool show. Enjoyed reading all the comments that you guys left below. A lot of cool colors coming out, some new tools, stuff like that. I got one of them JCW tank creepers on the way. I really want to do a comparison because a lot of people commented, that's so big, I don't think it'll fit under a car. And I don't really think it sits up that much higher than a normal one, due to the way the design on the side of the wheels are. So as soon as that comes in, we'll take a peek at that. Spending the whole day with Clay and Jay Young, just had a great time there. You know, we were probably there till about 8:30, 9 o'clock at night, just having a blast. And it really gave me some inspiration to do a little better on the videos, do a little nicer editing, kind of take my time. Also, we're gonna bring back the 2-minute tools series, and we're gonna have a new show as well coming out. Just a little bit more of the Snap-on stuff for you guys out there. I really appreciate the support. Things are going crazy. We just hit, today as I'm recording, we just hit 5,000 subscribers, and I appreciate it. You know, it's just amazing. So, couple things that we're doing a little bit different on the route. I got Shy Jamie out doing the Sprinter now, so we're gonna run that probably 4 days a week, just to make sure that we can get to as many of the different shops and take care of as many of the different customers as we can. I'm thinking it's probably going to take us a couple months, maybe 2-3 months, to build up the inventory in there so that she'll have everything she needs, you know, for as much as you can, so that we can really take care of them guys and gals out there working. As long as they're a little bit patient with us as we work through this transformation, just working out perfect, and she is doing an amazing job. So very, very proud of her and the progress that we've been making on that. Question for you guys: have you guys been seeing much for the tool show coming in? I see some of the dealers were getting the stuff midweek to late week, so I know it's just starting to trickle out there. But if you have, what was the neatest thing that you seen, or any purchases that you made? Let me know. It's kind of exciting to see this, you know, as we release the tools and as they get out onto the streets and people start using them. Love to hear the stories, so go ahead and share them with me. Stay tuned tomorrow for a whole new series coming your way. And once again, I appreciate you spending a few moments of your time with me tonight. And on that note, have a good night. Because of time, but thanks to Clay talking to me. Is my camera drooping?